I'm bored. I've played with all my toys.
How about your board games? Plushies? Lego?
Sue, they aren't exciting anymore.
I think I know how to save the day. We've got an unopened Labubu blind box.
Holy cannoli, Sue!
I knew you'd be excited. I like these colorful cuties too. I can't wait to open the box. I wonder what's inside. What do you think?
I don't know. Let's open it, Sue. Wow, there are even more boxes inside.
How about I open the box so that we see them better? Done! So guys, which box should we open first? Eeny, meeny, mo. Catch a tiger by a toe. This one. What a nice box. Look, exciting monsters and the picture of Labubu. We'll find one of these Labubus, and this one is secret.
That's so cool. But how do we open this box?
We gotta tear it open. How about sneaking a peek inside? There's a paper bag. What else? A yellow Labubu. Let's check. Oh, I see. It's soy milk. That's what it'll look like. Friends, what do you think is hiding in this bag? And you, Sammy?
Detective Sam will give you the answer in 3, 2... Got it! Inside you'll find Labubu!
I thought it was obvious. And the moment of truth. Ta-da! It's a yellow Labubu squishy. It's amazing.
Sue, you should share. I want to play with it too.
Sure, Sammy. Here you go. Well, which box should we open next? What's your pick, Sammy?
How about this one? Or better, this one? Sue, it's hard. Could you choose?
No problem. Give me a minute. I like this box. I wonder what color we'll find here. Maybe green or blue.
Pink. I vote for pink.
We'll find out the truth in a few seconds. Ugh, I can't wait. Another bag with a squishy? Great.
I can't see the color, Sue. Is it pink or not?
Patience, Sammy. The answer is very, very close. It's an orange Labubu, just like the one on the box. Isn't it cute, Sammy?
Yep, it's super cool.
The big reveal. Wow, he is so soft and adorable. Huh?
Sue, let's continue unpacking.
Okay. What do you say if we open this box? Sammy, what color is this Labubu? What's your guess? Maybe it'll be pink. Drum roll, please. Blue! It's sea salt coconut!
Huh, it sounds yummy. Now, I'm hungry.
Huh, it's not the time, my friend. Are you ready? Voila!
It even looks yummy. Can I take a bite?
It's not a snack. Look at its smile. Isn't it pretty? And it's so squishy, too. It's time to open the next box. But which one shall we choose? Sammy, it's your turn to pick.
My gut feeling is screaming that I should pick this box.
Great choice, my friend. Guys, what color do you think we'll get this time? Where's the drum roll, Sammy?
3, 2, 1.
Sammy, you won't believe it. I think we found a secret Labubu. But what does it look like? Wow, it's the most beautiful Labubu ever. It's indeed our secret Labubu squish, Sammy.
It's a rainbow Labubu. Gimme! Yay!
Let's open this squishy bag right now. I love it! It's gonna be my favorite Labubu squish, Sammy.
It's okay, but you forgot about this. Aren't these your Labubu's clothes?
You're right. This outfit belongs to our rainbow Labubu. Yay! Next, the hat. Sammy, where's the hat?
It suits me much better.
Sammy, it's not yours.
Yay!
You can't keep it. And we also have these shoes. Here we go. I was right. This Labubu is the cutest. Well, Sammy, it's time to open the next box. Sammy, where are you? Huh? He'll miss all the fun. Anyway, the question is the same. Which box? Let it be this one. Maybe we'll finally get a pink Labubu.
Surprise!
Ah, Sammy!
Pink, but no Labubu.
Sammy must know the color of the Labubu inside. In a moment, I'll know it too. Oh, it's green! What a lovely color! Love it! Let's check if the squishy is green too. Yes! Look at this pretty green baby. Bye, friends. I gotta join my family.
One box left. What if it's a pink Labubu?
I'm sure your dream will come true, Sammy.
Please open it. My slimy nerves aren't made of steel.
Woohoo! Sammy! A genie has granted your wish.
Really? Let's open the bag and make sure.
Ta-da! A pink squishy. Very pretty. It looks just like Sammy. Look at our squishy collection, Sammy. We were so lucky to find these colors.
Sue, could I get the pink one?
Sure. Here you go.
Yay!
My favorite is this rainbow Labubu. By the way, guys, we made all these toys on our own. Take a look.
Sue, what do we start with? The squishies?
First, we'll make the boxes.
I bet you'll need scissors. Sue, I found another piece. I don't get it. Is it extra? It doesn't look like a box.
Ah, Sammy. To make a box, we need several pieces. Look, we fold these parts here. And now, we'll fold the other half of the box. Then we'll fix them together. And the box is ready. Pretty easy.
Now I understand. It's simple and fast.
It's time to make a squishy.
I'm a Labubu or a snowman.
You're so funny! We'll need it to stuff our Labubu. All done! Now, let's put it into a bag.
Sue, don't forget about the outfit.
You're right! An outfit for our secret Labubu. I'll pack everything in this box. Baby Labubu, too. Ah, what's this?
Labubu box delivery.
Beep, beep, unloading. And I've already made more squishies. Cute, right?
And I've made the bags for them. Here.
Perfect, Sammy. Great job! Everything's ready. Now, I just need to pack the bags.
baby Laboobus.
I'll close the boxes and we're almost done. Finally, we gotta make a large box for the mini ones. First, I'll color the cover.
Sue, your time is out!
I'm done!
I'm gonna help you!
Too late!
Ugh, Sue!
Now, let's put it together.
Wow, that's lit! Let's put our boxes inside!
Sure, here we go. And our Labubu blind box is ready.
I can't believe it turned out so cool!
Friends, if you liked our unpacking, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Bye!
See you soon, guys! Bye!